5. Okay, so thank you is kalome, kalome.
Can you teach me how to say my name?
Your name. So coming to is my name is coming to.
Coming to Manika.
Such a fast learner. Oh, Miss Universe India ni omre ngani so. Thank you, Miss Manika Vishwakarma. You may proceed. The first ever Miss Universe Mizoram 2024. Ronei Pui Nyalum. Miss Universe Mizoram 2025 Evelyn Zatingpui. Miss Popular. And a direct entry to the top 6 is Laurentani. Top 6 kan puan sun zamang. Chen khatan chuan rabi poi motak ani nga chen khatan ero chuan he stage an chu asa na lo chu to don ani. And the second person going through and moving on with the competition is Ruth Laltuang Kimi. Person going through to the top 6 is Valal Himpui. The next person, the next contestant moving on through to the top 6 is Angela Valal Shuai. The next person going through to the top 6 is Michelle Lalruat Moi. The last contestant moving on through to the top 6 is Shisti Lalruat Moi Tinza. Congratulations to our top 6 and commiserations to the other remaining contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your top 6. The results are in my hand. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the top 3 finalists. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background? Imagine you have won Miss India. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background?
Thank you for your question. My background might be small, but I am here today because of my confidence and because I believed in myself. If I had the opportunity to win the crown, I would love to inspire the young girls and tell them that they can also do all the things and that nothing is impossible. I would love them to make a goal and look at their potential and see how they can grow and develop themselves, because knowing oneself is the top priority to serve others. I would like to promote my advocacy on education because it is an all-round development, and that's what I would do if I had a chance to win the crown. Thank you.
Thank you, Shasti. Lord, repeat the question. Imagine you have won Miss Universe India. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background? Imagine you have won Miss Universe India. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background?
Thank you so much for the question. I'm already a woman who's coming from a small town with a very simple background, and I've seen so many young people, and I've seen that how their dreams are limited by self-doubt and not by ability. And if I win Miss Universe India, I'll be a standing example for them, and they will know that I'm also one of them who is coming to who's also coming to what they have been through, and I want them to know that no matter where they came from, no matter what their backgrounds are, no matter what they came from, does not limit how far they can grow. And I want them to know that they are enough. Thank you.
Repeat the question 2 times. Zona hi voi ni kasoy no nam. Imagine you have won Miss Universe India. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background? Imagine you have won Miss Universe India. Coming from a small region, how will you inspire young girls from the same background?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, everyone. I would like to state that my background is not that fancy, even though I am from a design college which is of big and it's national also. However, my mother is providing me a loan, and I am really grateful for that. So I have to be making my mom proud. So even if you are there, like my background, you can also do the same. And even if state of going alone yourself, please know that I have been there. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Contestant number 11, Ruth, lal tuang kimi Republic Veng Thang. And the title of Miss Universe Mizoram 2026 goes to contestant number 3, Lauren Tanisiaha. And that's a wrap. Good night.